If you're looking for an umami flavor pack dressing to step up your salad game, then stick around because I've got a good one for you. Aloha mai kako, my name is Relle and welcome to my kitchen where I like to share all my favorite island and Hawaiian style recipes. And today we'll be making a miso vinaigrette, an umami packed vinaigrette that tastes delicious over green salad, roasted veggies, or even as a marinade. This one will be sure to step up your veggie game. So let's talk about what you'll need to make this recipe. First, you'll need an oil. After all, a vinaigrette is an oil mixed with an acid. I like to use avocado oil, but you can use any mild flavor oil you'd like. Olive oil works well. Next, you'll need lemon juice. I like to use fresh lemons, but if you can't find fresh lemons, you can use the bottled juice, or you can use limes as well. Of course, you'll need some miso. And what's miso? Miso is a fermented soybean paste that's popular in Japanese cooking. It can be found in the Asian aisle in most grocery stores. There are different flavors and colors. I use red miso paste in this recipe, which is a strong, bold flavor. If you want a more mild flavor, then go ahead and use the white miso paste. Next, you'll need some shoyu. Shoyu is a Japanese style soy sauce. This also can be found in the Asian aisle in most grocery stores. If you're gluten-free, swap out the shoyu for some tamari. You'll need unseasoned rice vinegar, some honey. If you're vegan, you can totally leave out the honey and use a different sweetener of your choice. You'll need some sesame oil. Now, sesame oil is a pretty bold flavor as well, so use sparingly. Be sure to not overpower. You can always add a little bit more later if you'd like. Some toasted sesame seeds, garlic, and ginger. So hele mai, come along and let's make a miso vinaigrette. First, a little bit of prep work. You'll need some ginger. You'll just need a small knob, so cut that off and set the rest aside. Then I like to use a spoon to peel off the skin. You don't have to use a spoon, but I find this is the best way. You just run it down like this and it'll peel off all that skin. That part's really fibrous and it doesn't taste great in the recipe. So take it off, put that aside. Then you're gonna grate it. I like to use the smallest holes on the grater. You can also use a microplane. Be careful of your fingers and go ahead and rub that up and down. You'll only need about half a teaspoon, so this is more than enough. You can save the extra for some other recipe, and you go ahead and put that aside and we'll move to the next part. And now the lemon. What you want to do is take your palm and roll the lemon like this. That gets the lemon all squished up on the inside so that the juices come out easier. You'll cut it in half and go ahead and juice it. Now, I have a million kitchen gadgets and somehow I don't have a juicer. So you can just go ahead and squeeze the lemon over your hand like this and that'll catch the extra seeds that fall out. Like I mentioned before, you can totally use lime or the bottled lemon or lime juice for that matter. So go ahead and squeeze the other half. If some seeds fall out like it did here, just go ahead and remove that when it's time to use. And you'll set that aside and on to the next. Last thing for the prep work is some garlic. So you'll take the head of the garlic. You'll really only need maybe 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. So peel it out like this. All that extra skin you're not going to use. So the best way I like to do it is take a knife flat like this, smash it with your hand, and it'll easily peel off the outside. And instead of chopping, I like to use this garlic press. So you'll just place the garlic in, squeeze it down, and the garlic comes out nice and finely shredded like this, and you can set that aside for later. Now we'll put it together to make the dressing. So you'll need avocado oil, the lemon juice that we squeezed, hold the seeds, miso paste, shoyu, the rice wine vinegar, just a touch of sesame oil, some toasted sesame seeds, the diced up garlic, the grated ginger, and last but not least, a little bit of honey. Oh, didn't come out that time, so we're gonna have to scrape it out. Whisk everything up until well combined. Alternatively, you can put it in a mason jar and shake it up. When you're done mixing it up, I like to drizzle it over my favorite salad. A little bit of spring salad mix, use some wonton chips, some honey roasted almonds that have been sliced, and some dried cranberries. Enjoy! And that's how you make a miso vinaigrette. If you want some more local island favorite recipes, check out this playlist here. Or if you're more of a dessert fan, then check out this playlist here. And until next time, ahui ho!
Thank you for watching my mom's video.